Hi Petri, today we are going to learn about science. Okay, we are going to learn about material properties. First, we need to know the basic learning of the material properties. Okay, this is a jar. A jar is an object. A jar made of glass. Glass is the material of the jar. Glass are brittle, waterproof, transparent, and hard. Brittle, waterproof, transparent, and hard are the properties of the glass. Okay, from here, I hope that you can differentiate between an object, materials, and properties. Materials are the matters or substance that objects are made from. Okay, what is it made of? Fishbowl made of glass. Skirt made of fabric. And shoes made of leather. Mug made of clay. Okay, here's some common materials that we meet every day. First, metal. Metal found in the ground, sometimes mixed in with rocks. Metal can be hammered into different shapes and are used for making things such as pots and pans. Steel can be rolled into thin sheets, and it can be stretched into wires and rods. It can be coated with plastic, paint, and other metals such as tin. Iron and steel are magnetic. Other metals are not magnetic. Next, rocks. Rocks is the raw materials of the earth. Rock is regarded as one of the most valuable natural building materials. Some rock used for making jewelry, such as diamond and emerald. Fabric. Fabrics are made by weaving the thread of different fibers. Cotton, silk, and wool are natural fabrics because the fiber comes from living things. Polyester and nylons are made and man-made fabrics. Wool is a fiber that forms the protective covering or fleece of certain animals. Cotton is a fiber or hair-like materials that people use to make cloth and other goods. Cotton grows on shrub-like plants. Plastic. Plastic made from oil. They are flexible and can be made into any shape. Plastic can be stretched and made into thread and woven to make fabric. Plastic can be dyed and can be made to be transparent. Glass. Glass is made by melting a mixture of sands and other minerals in a furnace at temperatures of 1700 degrees Celsius. Glass is a hard material that can be made in many shapes. It is usually transparent, but it can also be made in colors. Wood. Wood comes from trees. Commonly, wood in home construction is used like the flooring, frames of the doors, windows, and so on. Wood used to make paper, furniture, and etc. Rubber. Rubber is harvested mainly in the form of the latex from the rubber tree. Soft rubber goods are used for protective clothes, shoes, and blankets. Hard rubber is used for articles such as telephone housing, parts for radio sets, and other electrical instruments. Clay are used for making pottery, both utilitarian and decorative, and construction products such as brick, walls, and floor tiles. Leather. Leather is a durable and flexible material created by tanning animal skins. Leather is used to make a variety of things, including footwear, automobile seats, clothing, bags, book bindings, fashion accessories, and furniture. Paper. Paper is a thin sheet material produced by mechanically or chemically processing cellulose fibers derived from woods, rags, and grasses. Paper is an indispensable part of everyday life. Beyond its use as the basic material for written and printed communication, paper in its various forms are used for hundreds of other purposes, including packaging and wrapping. Magnet. Magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. Magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. The poles are simply at the end of a magnet. Okay, the same poles of the magnet will repel each other. The opposite poles of the magnets will attract each other. Now, some materials combine the qualities of two or more materials to make the best product. These are known as composite materials. When you make something, it is important to use materials that are right for the job. When choosing a material, it is important to consider what it will need to do. Okay, now can you guess what material used to make this thing? Fish tank? What about the curtain? And can you tell what the table is made of? And what about the coins or ball? And then cardboard box, a bucket, a floor tiles, a mitten, a board, and what about the gemstones? Okay, the raincoat, you already know, right? The wallet, tire, light bulb. Are you guessing? Okay, I think that's it for the materials today, and we will continue with the properties of materials. Okay, bye bye.